Hi, I'm EyeOnAiman. Welcome back to another one of my videos. In this video, we're going to be unboxing this new Shark Rotator Lift Away DuoClean Pro with self-cleaning Brushroll upright vacuum, and the model number is ZU782. Alright, so let's get right to opening it. Before we do that, just notice the quality of the box that it came in. Now, it looks open right now, and that's actually because we took out the manual, but when we got this, it actually was open. Like there was no tape on this edge right here, and we could just pretty much easily open it up like this. And the quality of the box was sort of rough. There are some edges here that are like right here, it's torn. But anyway, aside from the quality of the box, let's look at the quality of the vacuum. Now, when you open up the package, you'll see that there's some instructions, basically, and when you fold this back, you get your first taste of the vacuum. So while I take this out, let me talk about the reason why we got this vacuum. So, over the years, my mom has had to wrestle with many different vacuums. And in the past, we've had many different vacuums. One of them was a red Dyson, and we changed that one because it was heavy. And because my mom's getting older, she obviously has to carry less weight. So we decided to get this new Eureka, this orange Eureka, which, as you can see right here, it's better than Dyson. So we got this to replace our old red Dyson. And over the years, it's worked pretty well. I think we've had it for around 5 to 6 years. Definitely at max 10 years. But now we're thinking, with the coronavirus on the rise, it's probably a good idea to make sure that our space is clean and that basically our environment is not prone to conducting coronavirus. So we thought it was fitting to get a new vacuum. Also, sort of like as a, what did I say? As a gift to my mother, because, you know, she kind of deserves this, right? And plus, whenever I try to help her with vacuuming, I always notice, like, if you look down here, look, it's Bella's fur. This vacuum is kind of wearing out, so we're kind of in need of a new one. It always doesn't work at the worst times possible, especially when there are guests coming over. Like, we pull out the vacuum and it doesn't seem to suck that well. We have to go over it like a few times. So, okay. I guess that's all it. Okay, so we're just going to get to assembly. Assembly is very easy. Most of it is actually just, according to the manual, it's actually just snapping it in place. Let me find the page, actually. They have a very easy instructions for it, too. There's only 6 steps. They're all easily outlined, and if you see closely, it all says that it should just snap in place. So first off, we're going to unpackage the vacuum pod from its packaging. There we go. This is the main unit. And we're going to take the floor nozzle, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to put this on top. Now, let me make sure the orientation is right. So this clear side should be facing the front. And there is some pretty clear indicators where this should go. Okay, now it says to do this until you hear a click. So, let's see if you guys can hear that click. You heard that? Alright, good. So next is the extension wand. So, this extension wand basically goes on the end of the handle, which we'll get to in the next video. But for now, all you need to know is that it's called an extension wand. And this goes... No, wait. I'm looking at it from this side. Alright. It looks like this. Okay. Alright, so we got that click. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add the handle. So this is the handle. This is actually the coolest part of the vacuum, in my opinion. And probably the feature that my mom will utilize the most. And just for show, this is what the handle looks like. It basically looks like, what's it called? A gas station pump nozzle. So this is going to go attached, it's going to be attached to the wand first, actually. Okay. And there's a small notch in the back here. that corresponds to this notch right here. So we're just going to slide that in there. You're actually able to release this, but we'll talk about it in the next video. And the next one is to attach the hose to this main unit right here. So let's see. I don't think there's a wrong way to do this because these are symmetrical. So we're just going to do it the natural way. Or do I have to squeeze these? Okay. Oh, okay. So there's a circular notch that goes into the circular cutout. Okay. Oh, and then there's these holes that these clips go into. Okay. That makes sense. That's really intuitive. I like this design. Okay. And then finally, oh, we're actually done. Now, these other components right here, I'm pretty sure this is for stairs and upholstery. Let me just make sure. This is for upholstery, yep. This is the 12-inch crevice tool. And this one is for, whoa, this is for pet power. So we can use this for Bella. I mean, not use it on Bella, but use it for her cat hair. Okay. Alright, so also on this vacuum, there seems to be places where you put these attachments. Oh, it looks like this ball thing goes in here. That's not on the instructions, is it? Alright, Bella, okay. Yeah, that's not on the instructions. Maybe it... Okay, it looks like it's gotta be pushed in there. If you're curious, this behind me on the monitor, there's actually the webpage for the for this vacuum. And according to that, its retail price is $400. But my mom had, I think my mom got it while it was on sale, and she got it for $250. So that's a really good price. That's almost 50% off. But anyway, I'm going to put these attachments on. Let's see, this one, they have these little indicators on them that tell you where they go. See, this one's the 12-inch nozzle. And this one is the pet power nozzle, I'm guessing. Or the upholstery brush. Okay. Let me see if there's anything else we need to do. Oh, I'm hoping that this works well, obviously. Okay. Okay, so now is there anywhere where this goes? Alright, no, this goes here. Okay, so they have places for 2 of the attachments, but where does the 3rd one go? Alright, so that's it. I'm EyeOnAiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EyeOnAiman. Keep a lookout for our next video on this vacuum, which will be talking about the features and doing a dry run of this vacuum. For now, that's all. But for now, that's all. I'm EyeOnAiman, and signing out. Peace.